Let me show you best display color settings on the Samsung Galaxy S26. So first of all, if we open a settings on our phone, we can enter display right here and go down to the screen mode. If you enter screen mode, you can switch between vivid and neutral. If you enter vivid mode, it will unlock few different settings below, as you can see right here. First one is white balance. I prefer to keep it at the middle right here. Then there's advanced settings right here, and it allows you to adjust the color gamut on your phone. And I've set it up like this. I prefer it. It's much better than having it on default. I will show you default settings in a moment. And the vividness, I prefer to also keep it at the maximum. So you can copy this if you like and try it out. And now let me show you how it will look like if I turn it to neutral. So as you can see, the screen is more reddish. I don't like this color. I prefer it with my options right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.